So hi, today we'll be seeing something interesting. So I am Manoj and we'll be seeing like, can we run the local models on Raspberry Pi like IoT devices? Can it able to run as we can run on our own laptops or CPUs? So let's see about that. Now I have connected my Raspberry Pi in a headless mode. Could see that here, and yep, this is my Raspberry Pi and it's updated. So I do have overclock this thing. So if you go to, they actually change the path from boot config tst to boot firmware config tst, and if I go at last you can see the updated frequencies. It was previously 1500, right now it's 2000. It's basically 1.522, like 33% of boost. And for GPU we have like went from 500 to 600, but this doesn't have any impact over LLM models. But this one, because we'll be using all full thread or cores to utilize the model to run, to do the math. And voltage plays also a major role, because we have increased the frequency, so it need more power to run it. And my Raspberry Pi have an active cooling system, which is running at full speed. So yep, let me run the model. So before that I'll show you how to install the model. It's hardly take four commands, and this is the commands. We are downloading Olama, and this is an automated script. It might take around 5 minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Once done you can install it. We can pull any LLM models from the Olama. I am preferring the lowest model because I don't want to stretch my Raspberry Pi. But yeah, let me go with 1 billion parameter. It's very tiny model and it's super fast, I would say. It's really fast, but it's also okay model, so we have to expect that when we are, because we have just 1 billion parameters. Now we're gonna use all 4 cores, so of course we have to mention it. And this is the command to run the chart. So let me open this. I'll open the another terminal and I'll just log into my Pi again. I'll run a tool called, it's glance, I guess. Yes. Okay, here you can see my temperature is 39 Celsius and my CPU is 3.1, and this is the usage of my CPU right now. Everything looks normal, everything looks good. I'll just, okay, it's look fine. You can see the temperature over here and the CPU usage over here, also the memory usage. Now swap is not being used, so let me run. So this is the command to run the LLM. It's a tiny llama. So let me say hello, and once I click enter you could see the sudden spike in CPU. Also my temperature right now is normal, but it might go till 50 Celsius I guess. It's stretched here, but you see it's faster. It's super fast. So the memory, there is no usage of swap, because like the 4 GB RAM is almost enough for this particular 1 billion parameter model. As I said, there is a sudden spike. It went to 52 Celsius. Let me ask something. Can you, okay, let me see what is actually good as. Hi there, I'm glad to help you. If I, please feel to share any feedback if you'd like. Okay, I don't know what this is about. uh, Let me say, write echo in Python that, okay, I don't know, I don't have any idea to ask any questions right now. Okay, print numbers 1 to 1000. Let's say again the CPU, it's spiked, and you could see there is a sudden spike in temperature, but it can reply. So I would say it's good. Raspberry Pi can run LLM models, which is, I would say, like we can go up to 2 to 4 billion parameters. It's safe to run if we have enough RAM. Yeah, I guess it's good if you want to do something locally. And because okay, interesting. It used the range built-in function. Okay, yeah, it's good, nice.